Welcome, today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can set up ambient sound control. So at first you have to open your Sony application and you have to switch the sound, then tap on the switcher into the ambient sound control. And as you can see, at the first we can move the switcher and set up ambient sound level. We can also activate noise cancelling. And also when you go for ambient sound, we can focus on the voice. So if you want, just tap here to select this option. And basically that's all. You can also try to use speak to chat option. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.